They eat bread every day. They drink wine with friends. They never go to a gym. They don't take vitamins. They don't count calories. And they live longer than anyone else on Earth. In one small village in Japan, a woman wakes up with the sun. She is 104 years old. She walks to her garden. She picks vegetables. She makes tea. She smiles. She has done this every day for 104 years. What does she know that we don't?
Hello and welcome to Learn English and More. My name is Emma.
And I am Tom. Today we travel to some of the most special places in the world, places where people live longer than anywhere else on Earth.
Today we discover the secrets of the blue zones. Are you ready?
Let's go, slowly, like the people in our story.
So Tom, what is a blue zone?
A blue zone is a place in the world where people live much, much longer than normal. Not just 70 or 80 years, but 90, 100, sometimes even more.
More than 100 years old?
Yes, scientists studied the whole world. They looked at every country, every region, and they found 5 special places where the number of people over 100 is much, much higher than anywhere else.
Only 5 places?
5 in the whole world. 5 small places where something special is happening.
Where are they?
Number 1, Okinawa, Japan, a group of islands in the south of Japan. Number 2, Sardinia, Italy, a beautiful island in the Mediterranean Sea. Number 3, Ikaria, Greece, a tiny island where people seem to forget to die.
Forget to die?
That is what scientists say about Ikaria. Number 4, Nicoya, Costa Rica, a region in Central America. And number 5, Loma Linda, California, in the United States.
5 very different places, different countries, different cultures, different food, different languages. But something connects them.
Yes, something simple, something beautiful. And today, we will discover what it is.
Let me explain a word. Secret. A secret is something hidden, something most people don't know. We say, the secret to a happy life, the secret of good cooking. Today we learn the secrets of living a long, long life.
Let's start our journey. First stop, Japan.
Tell me about Okinawa.
Okinawa is a group of small islands in the south of Japan. The weather is warm, the sea is blue, and the people live longer than almost anyone on Earth. Many people in Okinawa are over 100 years old.
What is their secret?
Their secret is simple. First, the food. People in Okinawa eat mostly vegetables, tofu, sweet potatoes, and fish. Very little meat, very little sugar. And they have a rule. Stop eating when your stomach is 80% full, not 100%, 80.
Food, a word we all know. But in blue zones, food is not just something you eat. Food is medicine. Food is culture. Food is love. The food in blue zones is simple, fresh, and mostly from plants.
Second, community. In Okinawa, people have something called a moai. A moai is a small group of friends, maybe 5 or 6 people, who meet regularly. They eat together, they talk, they laugh, they help each other.
Community, a beautiful new word. A community is a group of people who live near each other and care about each other. Your neighbors, your friends, your village. In blue zones, community is everything.
And third, purpose. In Okinawa, they have a word, ikigai. It means a reason to wake up in the morning. Every person, even at 100 years old, has something that gives their life meaning.
Purpose, another powerful word. Purpose is the reason you do something. Your why. We say, what is your purpose in life? In blue zones, having a purpose, a reason to get up every morning, helps people live longer. So in Okinawa, simple food, close friends, and a reason to wake up.
3 simple things. No gym, no expensive medicine, no special technology, just simple human things.
Where do we go next?
To a beautiful island in Europe, Sardinia, Italy.
Italy. Tell me about Sardinia.
Sardinia is a large island in the Mediterranean Sea near the coast of Italy. It has mountains, beaches, and small, quiet villages. And in the mountain villages, people live very, very long lives.
What makes Sardinia special?
First, walking. People in Sardinia walk everywhere, up hills, down hills, to the shop, to the church, to visit a friend. They don't go to a gym, they just walk every day, naturally.
Walk. A simple word, but very important in blue zones. Walking is the most common exercise in every blue zone. Not running, not lifting weights. Walking. Slowly, naturally, every day.
Second, family meals. In Sardinia, families eat together every day. Grandparents, parents, children, all at the same table. They eat slowly. They talk. They laugh. The meal is not just food, it is connection.
So eating together is part of living longer.
Scientists say yes. People who eat with family and friends are happier, less lonely, less stressed.
Stress. A very useful word. Stress is the feeling of worry, pressure, or anxiety. Too much work is stressful. Too little sleep is stressful. In blue zones, people have much less stress than in modern cities. They live slowly. They rest. They enjoy small moments.
Third, wine. Yes, wine. In Sardinia, people drink 1 or 2 small glasses of red wine every day. With friends, with food. Not alone. Not a lot, just a little. And scientists say the red wine in Sardinia has special natural chemicals that are good for the heart.
So a little wine with friends is healthy?
A little. With food. With friends. The key word is a little.
Now tell me about Greece.
Ikaria, my favorite blue zone. The island where people forget to die.
Tell me.
Ikaria is a tiny Greek island. Very small. About 8,000 people. There are almost no cars, no fast food restaurants, no shopping malls. Life is slow.
What do people do there?
They wake up late. They drink herbal tea. They eat vegetables from their garden. They have lunch with neighbors. They take a long afternoon nap. Every day. And in the evening, they sit outside. They talk. They watch the sunset. They go to bed late.
No clocks?
Almost no clocks. People in Ikaria don't rush. They don't worry about time. They live by the sun, not by the clock. And scientists believe this is one of the biggest reasons they live so long.
No stress, no rushing, just living.
Just living.
What about the other 2 blue zones?
Nicoya, Costa Rica is similar to the others. Simple food. Beans, rice, corn, fresh fruit. Strong family connections. People walk a lot. They spend time outside in the sun. And they have a strong sense of purpose. They call it plan de vida, a plan for life.
What makes them different?
They don't smoke. They don't drink alcohol. They eat mostly plants. They rest 1 full day every week, Saturday. And they have a very strong community. They take care of each other.
So even in a fast country, you can live like a blue zone.
Yes, that is the most powerful message. You don't need to live on a Greek island. You don't need to move to Japan. You can bring the blue zone secrets into your own life, wherever you are.
So what are the secrets? The common things that connect all 5 places?
Scientists found 5 big secrets that all blue zones share. 5 simple things. Secret 1. Move naturally. Walk, garden, climb stairs. Don't sit all day. Move your body gently every day.
Natural. Our word. Natural means normal, from nature, not forced. Natural movement means walking, gardening, playing, not running on a machine in a gym. Just moving like a human is supposed to move.
Secret 2. Eat mostly plants. Vegetables, beans, fruits, whole grains. Eat meat rarely. Eat little sugar. And stop eating before you are completely full. Secret 3. Have purpose. Know why you wake up. It can be your family, your work, your garden, your art, anything. But you need a why. Secret 4. Slow down. Rest. Take naps. Don't rush. Reduce stress. The people in blue zones are not lazy. They work hard. But they also rest deeply. Secret 5. Belong to a community. Have friends. Have family. Eat together. Talk together. Care about each other. Lonely people die younger. Connected people live longer.
5 secrets. All free, all simple, all human.
Not one of them requires money. Not one requires technology. Not one requires a doctor. They are gifts, available to everyone.
Now, my friend at home, let's play our game.
A gentle one today. It is called, Could You Live to 100? 3 questions, 3 choices. Think about your own life.
Question 1. It is Monday morning. You feel tired and stressed. What do? A. Drink 3 cups of coffee and work faster. B. Take a slow walk outside for 10 minutes, then start your day. C. Skip breakfast and check your phone in bed.
B sounds nice.
B is the blue zone answer. A morning walk, even short, reduces stress, gives you energy, and starts the day naturally. A gives you energy but more stress. C keeps you in bed, lonely and hungry. In every blue zone, the morning starts with gentle movement and fresh air, not a screen.
A slow walk changes everything.
Question 2. You have Saturday free, no work. What do? A. Stay home alone and watch TV all day. B. Go to a shopping mall and buy things. C. Call a friend or visit your family and share a simple meal together.
C.
C is the blue zone answer. Community is the most powerful secret. People who spend time with friends and family live longer, feel happier, and have less stress. A is lonely. B is fun but doesn't connect you to people who care about you.
The meal doesn't have to be fancy. Even tea and bread with someone you love.
Last question. You are thinking about your life. What gives you purpose? What is your ikigai, your reason to wake up every morning? A. I don't know, I never think about it. B. Making money. C. Something I love doing, or someone I love caring for.
C.
C is the blue zone answer. Purpose doesn't have to be big or important. It can be your garden, your cat, your English studies, your children, your art. Even learning a new word every day can be a purpose. The key is, have something that makes tomorrow worth waking up for.
So, my friend at home, how many did you get right? Tell us in the comments. And tell us, what is your purpose? What is your reason to wake up?
Now let's remember today's beautiful new words. Repeat with me slowly. Gently.
Healthy. Good for your body and mind.
Secret. Something hidden that most people don't know.
Community. A group of people who care about each other.
Simple. Not complicated. Easy to understand.
Purpose. A reason to do something. Your why.
Stress. The feeling of worry or pressure.
Walk. To move with your feet, slowly and naturally.
Long. A big amount of time. The opposite of short.
Food. What we eat to give our body energy.
Natural. From nature, not forced or artificial. 10 gentle new words. Use one tomorrow. Just one. That is enough.
So, my friend, that was the secrets of the blue zones. 5 small places on Earth where people live to 100. And the secret is not medicine, not money, not technology. The secret is simple food, good friends, a reason to wake up, and a slow, beautiful life.
Tonight, maybe you can start. Eat a simple meal, call a friend, walk for 10 minutes, and ask yourself, what is my purpose? What makes me happy to be alive?
And one more thing, my friend. We have a special gift for you. A free PDF lesson guide. It has all of today's words, the full story, exercises, and a quiz to test yourself.
Click the link in the pinned comment below this video. Download the PDF, print it, read it, practice with it. It is yours, completely free, forever.
We made it with love, just for you, because we believe a little practice every day will change your English, and maybe your life too.
If you enjoyed this story, please subscribe. Press the button. It costs nothing, and it helps us continue making these stories for you.
Next week, a new place, a new question, a new story.
Until then, live simply, walk slowly, eat well, love deeply.
See you soon.
Take care of yourself, my friend. You deserve a long, beautiful life.